Gukesh, guys, I was talking about a miracle happening. This is the moment which will decide if it will happen or not. Sagar bhai, can you feel it?
मेरे को बहुत
Dang, 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 H3 played, are guys, blunder.
And now we have this live position on the board.
Somehow this reminds me of Candidates Tournament, the Queen End game, where, until the end it was like draw, 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 equal.
Yeah.
And final moment, it all changed.
Yeah, I mean, the thing, if you guys are not aware of, even if white has two knights and a king against a black soul king, that is still
That
a
is
draw.
So the
Unfortunately.
rook has to only sacrifice itself for 1 and 2 pawns.
Exactly.
But Arshit bhai, if opponent has a pawn left, then the two knights can checkmate a king.
That is true.
So
And
in
that's
a way,
the
it's,
zone. You have to tell us what's the zone.
yes, there is a zone like h5, g3, f4, some e5, d5, like this, something like this. A zone exists, and if the pawn is behind that zone, then it's a win. If it is on that zone, it's a draw. It's
Harshit bhai, you would know, right? You would have studied it.
I don't think those positions
Troitsky's
happen
line.
at like. I think it's like a once in a lifetime position that happens in.
But
one
I played, by the way.
Sagar bhai,
With
आपका once in a lifetime हो गया है फिर.
Two knights and a pawn versus a pawn, and I won. This was a very memorable game. But right now, Rook h4 played,
And
and
Gukesh is thinking he's down to 1.5 minutes. Sagar bhai has to play a little quicker.
let's go, Gukesh. And we have 32,000 people watching, guys. Do invite all your friends to join in, because today what happened was India was playing China, and Ding Liren, the world champion, was supposed to play
And Knight f3
Gukesh,
played.
but he did not turn up.
Rook h1 played. Maybe a slight inaccuracy. Or no, it's still a good move.
भाई पता नहीं, लेकिन ऐसे लग रहा है, डर लग रहा है कि now the rook is like, it moves so fast, right? It goes from one corner to
Yeah.
another and wins the pawns, while
Then
your pawn will be slow, and now there will be pawn running down here. There'll be, remember Gukesh versus Abdu Sattarov
yeah,
last year, very intense.
very
Gukesh
intense.
Oh,
was
yeah,
winning.
yeah, of course.
f5 played.
Gukesh this time much stronger than last year, also much stronger mentally, plays f5.
Also, Saksham says this reminds of Hari Krishna Maksudlu from Prague Masters 2022, where Hari won with two knights.
Arey, kya baat.
Oh, wow. That's a
Saksham
great
seems
info.
like a very big chess follower.
And now I think the engines are kind of getting very strong as they are able to analyze this on a stronger depth, and they think that this game is going towards the draw. However, practically still a lot of chances left in the game.
कुछ भी हो सकता है दोस्तों. Anything can happen. I'm wondering, Harshit bhai, Amruta, Rook A1, how do you support
Knight
this?
C3
हाँ
first,
है
no?
knight है.
दो है सागर भाई, एक तो बचा ही लेगा.
It does
मेरे
happen
दो-
sometimes. We see the knight moving only on the one side of the board.
Correct.
Okay, let's see
मेरे
what
दो Karan Arjun.
ये है माँ और ये है करण अर्जुन.
way he's thinking. F5 has just been played by Gukesh. Wei is down to 3 minutes, needs to find some accurate moves to make sure that China does not lose this match.
By the way, some people in the chat feel that why is Gukesh taking so much risk, because H pawn might become very dangerous. What's your thoughts, Harshit bhai?
I think that Gukesh doesn't have a big risk of losing this game because he can always sacrifice a knight for two pawns, and rook versus knight is theoretically drawn. So knowing this, I think Gukesh is playing some sort of a risk-free. However, with the time ticking down, the probability of making a mistake goes up, and I am excited to see if we get a little bit more drama from this position.
Agreed. I also think that this is worth the effort that Gukesh is putting in. He is showing that, even if it's a draw, it's worthwhile to keep fighting. And Wei now has to also find his moves quickly. He's down to 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Yeah. 2 minutes 20 seconds, guys. This is not a classical game anymore. It's almost like a blitz game, Sagar, but you have to make very quick decisions.
Yes, but you get 30 seconds more per move. After you make every move, you get that additional time. And that
But
is
sometimes not enough to find a very difficult accurate move. So
Agreed.
that is the situation we have to see for whom it will be created.
Yeah.
COD says I will lose this position 100% of times against a rook.
Guys, it's 1 minute 50 seconds for Wei, and you should ask someone playing a chess game having 2 minutes on his clock how fast those 2 minutes go away when you're calculating a lot of lines.
Yeah.
On paper, 2 minutes feels like a lot, Sagar Bhai, but when you're calculating, it goes away like
He
this.
has pushed his H pawn.
H5.
He's pushed his H pawn, and guys, don't you think that here knight G3 attacks the pawn and the rook?
So the rook will have to go to H3 only move,
Yeah, because
or
this
rook
will-
A1.
No, but rook H3 is a mistake
Oh.
What?
because
Oh.
of check, and suddenly
And knight
the
G5 then.
yes, and the knight
Because it defends
and king
F3.
E3, and then this, and the king cannot. Let's say if king goes here,
Yeah, let's try
then
it out.
F6 check. Now king can't come here, check. So king can't also
F8,
come here,
F8.
has to go back, and then king E2 and white wins slowly because the rook is trapped again.
No, rook H1.
Yes. It's completely
Okay, we
possible
can- we
that
can
But
go
already
in.
you are at a very good
Knight
situation.
C3 has been chosen by Gukesh.
Knight C3. Why is Gukesh not going to? Oh my God, Knight C3.
He wants to do the same thing from knight E4 and F6.
Yes.
Actually. But the rook is not attacked, which gives a possibility to push the pawn to H4.
Oh,
Yeah.
H4 now.
Oh.
Wei if he falls for rook H3, that would be bad for him. H4 is
No,
the
he
best
will not
move.
go rook H3. It doesn't
Oh,
make
Oh,
sense.
he's
thinking,
ready
he's
for
thinking.
H4.
Oh,
Arre,
yeah.
bye. H pawn coming down.
Arre, so accurate, Wei is
Ooh.
so accurate. But this knight G3 maybe was a very
Yeah,
small
important.
chance
Actually,
for
that was
Gukesh.
important. And normally he wouldn't miss it. So it's a little surprising that happened.
Guys, it's more than 5 hours and 20 minutes for which both of these players are fighting. What fighting spirit have both of these guys shown? It's amazing to follow this. 94 check played.
Played.
Oh,
Now
and
king
now-
E7,
Now it's-
F6,
Black has to be accurate.
Yes.
Black has to be
F6,
accurate.
and
king
it's-
F8. Oh,
in
this is
nine
still
minutes. It's winning.
trouble.
The thing is, only move to draw now is king
Oh,
D7.
did you
Why?
see?
And no one knows why.
Why?
Exactly,
So I
no
should
one
not
knows.
ask the question why.
Do you see how he's managed to put Black in a situation where he
Bye.
has to
Find
find
the
Bye.
out?
accurate
Oh.
move and look at the time 44
Oh my god,
seconds.
this is a huge
44
moment.
seconds.
Huge moment.
It's the moment we
Oh,
all
he found
thought
it.
of.
No,
Maybe.
what? No, he didn't
We
find.
don't know
One
yet.
second.
We don't know yet.
Did he find it?
If he finds, then I
Yes,
believe
he
that
found
way
it.
he
He
will
He
keep
found
fighting.
it. It's
Found it.
insane.
Bye,
It's
Wei.
insane.
Okay, now it's going to be
Wait.
hard to crack.
Wait,
How does he
wait,
find the
wait,
best
wait.
move, Sagar Bhai?
Bhai, he's Wei. He's 2-7, 6-2.
And if he finds king d7, so every other move he's going to find, right?
Wait.
Let's see. Let's see.
Gukesh, as Harshit Bhai had rightly said, Gukesh keeps asking questions
Yeah.
one after the other till the opponent does not have
The
an
right
answer.
answer.
He is like a lawyer in a court, yeah? Ek ke piche ek.
But this King D7 Sagar Bhai, I don't think that many strong players, even grandmasters, would have been so accurate to find this move King D7. But Wei is showing that he is no
Class.
one to be underestimated. One
Yeah.
of the top talents in the world.
Yeah.
Correct.
China would have been so tensed for that moment. And after king d7, I believe they would be so happy.
अभी तो चाइना में तो बहुत लोग सो गए रहेंगे अमृता. It is like
No, I mean the team.
3
But
a.m.
we have 34,000 people,
6,000
36,000
people, all looking for a miracle in this position. But Wei has been defending miraculously, Amruta, finding the only move in a very difficult situation.
And Arshit, king d7 is a move which even for grandmasters it would be a tough one, right?
Especially with 1 minute on the clock, I think many grandmasters would have failed to find this move. And this is the difference between a normal grandmaster and a top grandmaster. They are very good at defending. The
Correct.
art of defense.
and so now I want to push f6 here, but then h3, and already the black pawn starts rushing forward. And the other move is to give a check with the knight, and you can see Gukesh a bit nervous there. He's
Oh, he played 95. He's played 95.
he's looking at the clock every few seconds because clearly he's not playing just for himself. It's a team tournament, and somewhere he will also feel the pressure.
Yeah, because now the h pawn get risky.
King D8 played. Wow.
King d8 or e8?
Insane
King
accuracy.
e8, why is a mistake again?
Yeah. King D8 has been played, Sagar Bhai.
Oh, he found it. King d8. f6.
F6 played.
भाई
It's not easy, huh?
Bar
It's not
fluctuates.
easy. Bar
Engineering.
बार
Sure,
इज
this
लाइक
is-
अभी तक तुम लोगों को उल्लू बनाया था मैंने यहाँ पे, बट अब देखो चलो खुशी देता हूँ.
Sagar bhai, this is so intense. What is
Nahi yaar.
happening?
What is happening to H3?
Going on?
What is happening to H3?
Oh my god. क्या हो रहा है, guys? I have really no idea. F6 has been played and Black needs to find
H3.
the only move. Not easy.
Bhai,
Not
no,
easy,
one
Sagar
second.
bhai. The
Rook
pressure
D1
is.
check is the only move here.
Oh my god, guys. Gukesh, guys, I was talking about a miracle happening. This is the moment which will decide if it will happen or not, Sagar bhai. Can you feel it?
Very good.
Dang, 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 H3 played. Arey, guys, blunder. Oh, tremendous
Okay,
moment,
okay.
guys. Let's go.
1 second. F7.
F7 needs to be played.
F7.
F7 needs
King
to be
E7.
played.
King E7.
And then knight
He
F7
pushes, he
played.
pushes,
Let's
he
go.
pushes,
Let's
he
go. I
pushes.
cannot
But
control.
bhai,
Sagar bhai, let's
bhai,
go.
King E7. Oh, there is knight G5 followed by check and queen.
Oh my goodness. Can you see how he's managed to create this unbelievable
Oh
setup?
my
Amruta,
God, is
Gukesh.
Gukesh going to
Gukesh
convert this?
FTW. I'm talking about manifestation, Sagar bhai. This is happening.
Bye, bye.
One time, what
One
did you say?
time, guys. One
time.
time. Look at way he's so nervous. He's missed it. He's blundered.
Bhai, King E7, Knight G5 winning.
Oh my god, guys. 36,000 of you watching Gukesh
Bhai,
for
what
the
about Rook
win.
F1? Rook F1? Rook F1, he needs to maybe play. Or H2 is direct queen, guys. Cannot do that.
Cannot do that.
F1.
30 seconds. 30 seconds for Gukesh. Rook F1
Khela
played. Rook F1 played.
Rook F1.
Guys,
And now the
knight-
only
only
winning
move,
move
knight
is Knight G5. But
But then H2?
इधर हाँ वही तो
H2. Oh,
Knight
Check.
भाई समझ में नहीं
No,
आता
H2 knight F3.
Oh my
This
god.
knight
नहीं,
F3.
King E7
This is way above
So
our.
knight takes H2 na, khatam. What king E7?
Let's just see what he plays.
हाँ,
He's
हाँ,
going to find
रुको,
the
रुको.
best move.
Knight
Let's wait and
G5.
see what he
If-
plays.
Arey, knight G5. H2
ढूंढेगा
knight
कि नहीं वो
E3.
सोचो
He
whether
will.
Gukesh.
49 seconds he has. अभी इधर तो ढूंढेगा ना, और क्या करेगा?
Let's go Guki, let's go.
दूसरा कोई मूव भी नहीं है. Come on, guys.
Sagar bhai, can you feel the intensity
Oh
of
my
this
God,
moment?
He must
Look
be
at him,
so
look at
tense.
Gukesh for the first time. I'm seeing some emotions. He looks at the clock. He has 30 seconds.
He is tense.
He says, "Bhai खेलूं क्या खेलूं? I need to calculate. There is some move here. Oh my God, Gukesh does this also.
Oh.
By Gukesh, you need to find Knight G5.
Oh my
This
God.
is the move. Go for it. अरे वो clock कितनी बार देख रहा है? He's look at him.
Yeah!
God.
Bam! Amruta, let's go!
Oh my
Vamos,
God.
vamos!
आज
Gukesh,
डॉन
Gukesh,
आना ही है. हाँ,
Gukesh,
अगर
Gukesh,
कुछ भी
Gukesh.
रानी बन गई तो डॉन आना है.
H2.
Okay, H2 knight F3 king E7 knight takes H2 over.
Yes, yes.
Oh, nice. Amruta finding
Knight-
the key idea.
Knight EF3 or GF3?
Ah, knight
Which
G.
knight?
GF3.
Because
Respect
guys,
दे दो यार,
guys, if you
knight
don't
G.
push the pawn, then he's going knight G6 and queen. No, he's just going to take your pawn. Gukesh says, "Give me your pawn."
I think Sagar bhai, H2 is the
H2
only
खेलना
move
पड़ेगा.
he has
खेला, खेला,
found.
खेला, खेला,
He has
खेला.
found H2.
Okay, knight GF3. I think I like that
Knight
better.
GF3 or EF3. The point is, guys, if you make a queen, I make a queen first with a check.
And he played.
He played
Knight
GF3.
GF3, okay.
GF3.
Right, GF3
And now
played.
if king E7, as Amruta pointed out, the pawn is hanging. So you need to make a queen. I make
But
a
then
queen.
there you'll
That's a
get
mate.
mated.
You will
Queen
get
and
mated.
knight combination is
Oh,
known.
he went king E7. But now, Mardo, pawn
No,
को
just
मार.
take
Take the
it.
pawn.
Why
Just
pawn?
take the pawn,
Yeah, pawn.
boys. And knight back to F3. This is completely winning
Khatam.
now.
Now
Khatam.
khatam.
खत्म.
Sagar bhai, I cannot sit. Let's stand and
night
watch this. क्या हो रहा है? Oh my God.
Yaar, the knights are partying.
We are seeing history being made,
Bhai,
Sagar bhai.
this is so much more exciting even than the Bermuda party.
Oh my
And
God.
we didn't see Gukesh yesterday at Bermuda
Sagar bhai,
party.
we need a crazy dance after Gukesh wins this.
A1.
Still accuracy needed. Still accuracy needed. Guys, still accuracy needed.
Which is the winning move again, knight G4.
Only
भाई
move.
कैसे
Why?
ढूंढेंगे?
Only
Why
move.
is it the
Oh my
only
God.
move?
Because if you take here, like let's say
Oh,
knight
this is
G4.
not
नहीं, knight
easy.
F3 खेला
This is not
suppose.
easy.
Then I go knight h6 defending here and threatening a check. I need my knight to reach there.
Okay.
I need my knight to reach here.
Defend F7
And
point.
Gukesh has 1 minute to figure it out.
Guys, knight
ठीक है,
G4.
39. Can we hit 40,000 people.
Guys, we need your support for Gukesh to find this important,
Look
crucial
at the
move.
intensity. Even the camera is glitching there with the intensity, guys. जो focus है यार, like unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
और वो अपने ऐसे, he's moving his eyes
Yeah,
like
like
zoom, zoom,
zoom.
zoom, zoom. How many seconds? Okay, 5
Knight
seconds.
G4, guys. Let's be calm.
This is the move, guys.
This is the move which will decide whether Gukesh will win the game or it will be a draw.
40,000 people.
Knight G4 play.
And Knight G4.
Let's go, Gookie boy on fire.
For idea, putting the knight on H6. The
He
knight
gave a
on
check.
Check. Okay. Oh, we have
King C4. No, any problem?
another important.
भाई
With
किंग
that?
C4 चेक में
Oh
मरेगा
my
ना
God,
अमृता, और
another
फिर ये
tough move.
मरेगा, और फिर
अरे,
ये
अरे,
नो
another
नो पीछे
only move.
पीछे आना,
King
पीछे
C2. King
पीछे
C2.
Only one
D2.
move is
नहीं,
winning.
King C2 क्यों
किंग
नहीं?
C2 रुक के 4
King,
and then
Oh
but
my
King
God,
D2 को
this
भी
is
रुके
not
4.
easy.
I don't understand. Ruke 4, knight at
I know.
6.
I'll tell you the difference,
Continue
guys.
with the
If
plan.
king to c2,
Huh.
rook a4, knight h6, there is rook
finds
c4
rook
check.
D2, finds rook
Oh
D2.
my! What? Finds king d2.
Yes, king D2 found.
Oh my God!
Why is it the
How
best
he doing
move?
this?
Please
How is he
बताओ.
doing
Found.
this?
Once again, we will analyze this.
हाँ, समझ गया. I got it. You were showing the check.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Why, but knight takes?
Oh.
The
King
on
F7
takes
ना?
king, the f7 pawn
नहीं,
was
knight
H6
h6
पे है ना?
Knight h6 पे है.
भाई हम लोग को इधर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है गुकेश को कैसे
गुकेश
that too in the
30
sixth
seconds
hour.
में
Oh yes,
समझ
yes,
रहा है
yes. The
यार
difference
उसको.
was that the king on c2 could not protect the f2 square. Now the king on d2, if you give a check, can be protect this
Stopping
important
F2.
f2 square.
Oh.
But this nuance has been found by Gukesh in less than a minute. Look at Wei. He's shaking his head.
Now
he can
knows.
realize that
It's
this
all over.
game has gone.
It's all over, guys, because Gukesh's knight will come and defend this pawn. The other knight will give a check and queen.
Guys, this is the power of support. This is why our chat is helping the players in such a positive way, guys. Positive thoughts are
Mara, pawn
making
mara.
sure rook takes a4 played.
भाई knight h6 खेल दे. Now तो
This is the yeah, knight
this is
h6.
now भाई
Played.
आदित्य खेल. Let's go.
Guys, गुकेश ओपी रुकना नहीं चाहिए, हार्ट्स रुकने नहीं चाहिए. इंडिया ओपी guys. Wow, Amruta, are you excited by this play?
Nervous right now. I'm very nervous and very tensed. Harshit.
How's the Josh?
अरे भाई बहुत कम है अभी रुको.
Guys, this is what these players do us. They take our breaths away.
Knight g6 check is the big threat.
Speech away, breath away.
Fire on fire. Finding the only winning moves, Gukesh. Rook a2 check played.
Now king
King
e3
E3
and king e1 both win
King e3 has been played.
because to stop f2, right?
Exactly. King e3 has been played.
Pick. Guys,
This is incredible.
incredible endgame.
Incredible
He
endgame.
found-
We'll go
found
in
like
all books, all endgame books
he,
from
he
now.
found like 10 12 accurate moves, yeah, with like less time. It's
And
just
very
too-
tough ones. They were not even like the obvious ones.
I am so proud of this boy Gukesh. I played him 4-5 years back. The way he has risen his level, risen the way he handles himself has just been exceptional, Sagar Bhai, showing why he is the biggest talent we have right now. Playing the World Championship match,
yeah.
I think we are looking at a successor of Vishwanathan Anand in front of our eyes.
Yes, definitely. And right now, he might be the man who will give India a gold in Olympiad. But of course, few more moves need to be made. And I think just King E4, King F4. No, King F4 may be not accurate, yes?
But we are not in a situation of only move,
Oh,
right?
King-
Finding the only move.
Why King
King
F4
F4
not
is a
accurate?
blunder.
Rook
King F4 is a
A1 and
Because
blunder.
that's the point which
पीछे
Harshit
से.
mentioned. The rook
You
wants to
need
stop the F8
exactly,
queen.
exactly. Play King E4, Guki.
Okay, 40 seconds. 39.
The most tense battle we've had, King e4 played.
Finds
Ah.
it, bhai. Finds it. Machine Guki. Finds one good move after another.
I can only feel for Wei, Sagar Bhai. He found such incredible defense. The resignation! The victory! Gukesh has won, Sagar Bhai. Let's go!
China. Whoa!
Wow, what a win, guys.
Wow!
I still want to
Just-
stay here and see, the
Insane! Can we go
final
full screen? And what a
moments.
beautiful gesture by the coach
Oh.
of China,
And look
patting
at
him on the back.
And
way.
he's analyzing, like, way to be able to
Beautiful,
analyze after
beautiful
this
moment.
moment.
This is what
Too good.
sports are all about. The sportsmanship, even after losing such a game, showing why chess is such a gentleman game, Sagar Bhai.
Too
This
good.
is why we are here to watch one of the best players playing. All credit, all guys. एक बार वे ही OP भी हो
वही
जाए.
हाँ,
OP
because
वही
this-
OP हो जाए दोस्तों, and then Guki OP
Then
रुकना
Guki
नहीं
OP नहीं
चाहिए.
रुकना चाहिए because the men and women team both have won.
And
Sagar Bhai.
hearts, just hearts for India.
Guys, if this is not the moment which you are going to clip and play the song Lehra Do in the background, then I don't know which moment it's going to be.
Obviously,
अभी
Abhyuday,
gold
अरे
का
Abhyuday
moment भाई, अभी
Arey,
बनाया.
I mean,
Not
from
too
today,
soon.
from today, from today,
Trust
this
our
has to
edit.
be,
Like, everybody trusted their teammates, no, over here. Like,
Guys,
we are going to trust
we-
our teammates.
and you know, I only trusted the support and positive energy
Nahi,
because the
Bhai, you said to everyone, do
one,
Gukesh
one
for the
time,
win.
Harshit,
One
your
time.
one time has got us over here.
I can't believe from that end game where we had Grandmaster Peter Swidler here who said the chances are less. The engine was saying it's a draw.
Objectively, he was right, actually.
Yeah, he was right. He
because-
was right. Everything was right. But Gukesh had that energy in him to keep trying. You know, that's the thing. Who are the path
Abhyuday,
breakers?
देखो उधर.
Who are the path breakers, Amruta? The ones who don't
Yeah.
really
oh my
follow
god,
what everyone's saying.
Correct.
And
absolutely.
Gukesh actually believed.
And in a way, when a legendary, experienced person like Swidler says this is so difficult to win,
Oh my
and
God.
Gukesh manages this
It just
right
shows.
now after 6 hours
Yeah.
of play,
How good he is.
incredible. Like, we are in for an amazing world championship in Singapore.
Yes, guys, इंडिया फॉर गोल्ड. बढ़िया. ऐसे रक्षित भाई ने एक सुपर चैट किया है. विनीत ललका सेज दैट्स मैग्नस लेवल, पत्थर से पानी निचोड़ना. रक्षित सेज इंडिया फॉर गोल्ड, हैशटैग इंडिया फॉर गोल्ड, मेक इट ट्रेंड गाइस. Supriya Nerurkar, oof, just amazing game by Gukesh. He proved he's a world championship challenger, worthy.
Sujata says, as Samay says,
घोड़ा.